Okay, so this is Moxy. Yes, it's a tampon. It's got everything a bird needs. It's got the cotton, cardboard, string, and crunchy paper.
Hi.
Moxy's happiest with Super Plus. This is just a regular. You see, she gets all involved with her tampon chewing episodes. She takes the time there to pull a feather out, but most of the time she just has a wonderful time. I know it's strange to let your bird chew a tampon, but I just have to say one thing. When you have a parrot and it's going to be quiet for 5 minutes, you'll do anything. Therefore, tampon chewing came into popularity with the parrots in our home. When she's done, like any woman, she'll use another, and another, and another.